In this video, I'd like to introduce the Total Control Accounting Self-Assessment. It's a simple tool to help you identify what level you're at with your business financials, and more importantly, how you can accelerate out of chaos and confusion with your financials and into total control. Let's dive in. Here on the left-hand side are all of the symptoms of these various steps along the way in terms of getting your accounting, your finances, and ultimately tax planning and profitability under control. So let's take a step here and walk through it. So the first step, lots of people here, which is what we call the shoebox phase, or you're pretending, meaning at the end of the year, you're simply gathering up receipts, scrambling spreadsheets, bank statements, all to aggregate your business income and expenses in a way that you could file your taxes. You really have no idea what you're making or even losing until after the year. The next step would be people who have graduated, I would say, from the shoebox phase and are in more of a bookkeeping phase, right? They're doing ongoing accounting, but they're not really using the data to tell them anything. And so one of those symptoms would be they're underperforming, where they're scrambling at tax prep. They get the information to their CPA, who really just recaps the year in review, but there's nothing going on proactively telling them how they're doing. And so while this is better than the shoebox method, which is total chaos, it's not that much better in the sense that there's no proactive planning or forecasting going on. So as you move up the pyramid here, you get to the CFO stage. And the CFO stage is a great place to be. It's where a lot of businesses are and they're starting to thrive. It's where you're becoming optimistic. You're starting to use your financial data to make decisions in a real-time environment. So you have the information, it's categorized properly, it's being used, you're starting to develop key performance indicators, you're starting to understand your business and how to make better decisions. And so the fourth step in this is the CEO phase. And this is where your business is really running on autopilot. You're in control, you are managing, you're looking for opportunities, you're looking for strategic partnerships. And so this is where you've really graduated, where the data is really a useful tool. It's real time, and you're acting on this data to make decisions, partnerships, and investments. Looking to make mergers, you're looking to acquire other businesses. And so this is really kind of the roadmap to get you, and depending upon what you want in your business, but it's to get you from pretending to profitability and clarity and ultimately freedom in your business finances. Our goal at Mir Group is to move you along in the total control accounting system. And there are 3 steps in doing that. The first step is what we would call recording. And this is where you're moving from the shoebox phase and you are actively recording your financial data in a software, hopefully in a cloud-based software like Xero that we use here, to record your data on an ongoing basis, start categorizing it properly. It's really the financial training wheels of moving along in this system. Second phase would be reading your information. So once you've moved out of the shoebox phase and you're in what we call the bookkeeper phase, you've got your data organized, you're recording it often, and you've got it in a cloud-based software where you collaborate with your advisors, you're starting to take that information and understand what it means. You're starting to read that data to start to begin to understand trends in your business and to begin to make profitable decisions. And the third phase we ultimately want you to get into is the reaping phase, where you're taking this information that you've collaborated on with your advisor, you've recorded it properly, you've begun to read it, and now you're starting to reap the benefits. You're being strategic, you're looking for opportunities, you're doubling down on service lines that are profitable, and you're shedding those service lines that are less profitable. So you're really starting to use your financial data to make decisions, to grow your bottom line, have the business and the lifestyle you want. If you want a more in-depth look at your business and how the Total Control Accounting System can help you, we offer one-on-one consultations that give you a comprehensive plan on the software, tools, and team it would take to get your business running at the CEO level. It's $60 for a 60-minute consult. Click the link below for more details.